Good morning. So here I am. It's about 6:45. I am all decked out for the AirVenture show in my FlightAware shirt, and I've got my exhibitor tag, Oshkosh 2021 exhibitor, and I've got my wristband, so I'm legit to get into the show. And let's see, I've got my business card, FlightAware, representing FlightAware here today. It's Aviator product manager. Aviator is our new product aimed at general aviation, small aircraft, piston engine, owner operators, and it unlocks a ton of cool features, enhanced tracking features for your aircraft. I'm really excited about it, and we've been working on it for about a year with a really amazing team, and we're rolling it out today here at Oshkosh 2020. So we're all super psyched, and we're hoping to get a good base of subscribers. It's a subscription for service, and of course I'm also hoping to just meet some other aviation industry folks and airplane owners and schmooze and hobnob a little bit, and I'll also of course try to sneak away from the FlightAware booth and see all the events and the airplanes. Got to do a little yesterday evening during our setup, but I'm hoping today it'll be a lot more active and I'll get an hour or two to really check everything out and take some videos, post on my YouTube channel, and for some FlightAware social media content. So it's going to be great. I'll be here all week, so I'm sure I'll be getting a ton of content and videos, pictures. So yeah, James Parkman, and I'm here representing FlightAware and my own aviation interests. I'm the owner of a Cherokee 180. Didn't fly it up here just because of the logistics, but yeah, excited about the event. It's going to be amazing. We're about to head up there. I'm just waiting for the other folks. I'm kind of an early bird, so I'm just here drinking my coffee and getting ready for the day. It's going to be amazing, and talk to you later.